Anyways, we're gonna do a quick little Glossybox unboxing again. I apologize for the shadows. I don't have my normal setup yet. You guys know I'm still moving, in the process of like moving. I don't have any of my furniture yet. This is real time, even though my vlogs have been like being like kind of like they happened a while ago. This is real time. I still don't have all my stuff. But I wanted to do a Glossybox unboxing for you guys. They sent this box over to me again very kindly. I'm super excited that I'm able to check out some of their stuff. We have the traditional box this time, where it's still really nice hard box. I just love this box. It's just nice and hard, and you can totally reuse them. Just like last month, if you guys use my code Lindsay, you can get your first box for $1 with a 12-month subscription. And I'll put that in the description box as well. You can also do the optional 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. They're a really good gift. They're always worth over $75 retail value in the box. It's such a great self-care treat for every month, and it's delivered straight to your door, so it's super easy. Here is the presentation. This is their birthday box edition. So this August is their 10th birthday, which is why they originally reached out to me, was for this specific box. They were just really kind and sent it to me last month as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's on the inside here. This is so adorable. I'm so excited. It like really feels like a gift to myself. I love this. So we have our little pamphlet here with the products. I don't want to spoil it, so we're just gonna get straight into the box. I have no idea what's in here. I see Glow Recipe. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, let's start with the first product. So the first thing we have here is the Cetaphil Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion for dry dehydrated skin. I totally absolutely need this. Since I don't have all my stuff here from Italy yet, I don't have moisturizer. Like, I don't have proper moisturizers for my body, and it's really been driving me crazy. So this is definitely gonna get used. I can't wait to try this out. Wait, let's just see what it smells like, since I need to open it anyways. Smell and feel, obviously. Let's see how this, ooh, okay. Oh, it definitely feels nice and moisturizing. It smells kind of like a nice bath. Very happy to have that. Definitely gonna try this out. I love the little pump on it. So yeah, super excited. Long-lasting 48-hour hydration. Ooh, I am very excited to see how this works. And it's definitely needed right now. Okay, the next thing we have are a few Invisibobble hair rings. I love these. These are so nice. I've never had ones that are this like thin though. The ones I've had are like thick ones. So these ones are kind of thin, but still the same concept. I love these in the hair. These feel so comfortable, and ooh, I'm very excited about these. There's 3 in the pack, which is awesome. Some of my hair ties have been breaking, so that's actually gonna come in handy. Oh, this is the slim version. Okay, I see. So this is the slim version. The ones that I've had before were just the regular sized ones, but that's cool. And then my baby, Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. This is the Berry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna open it now. I am obsessed with Glow Recipe. I love it so much. So here's the little cleansing bottle. It's got a pump on it. I wonder what it smells like. I'm gonna smell it. Let me smell it. It smells very good. It's not too overwhelming either though, so that's nice. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. A gentle pore refining facial cleanser packed with antioxidant rich blueberries, hyaluronic acid, and gentle AHA. It says you can use it as a cleanser or a makeup remover. Yes, or a mask. What? That's cool. Fun. I can't wait to try that. I love Glow Recipe so freaking much. What's this? Elemis. Okay, so this is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Okay, that's cool. I'm not gonna open this one. I might pass this on to someone, but Elemis is a really great brand. I have too many products that are similar to this that are already open, so I might pass that on to someone. But this is a great brand. Super excited to see it in here. And then we have a hair mask, maybe? keratin protein smoothing deep conditioner. Is it a mask or is it just conditioner? Softens and prevents breakage in weak damaged hair. Oh no, it says it's an ultra restorative smoothing treatment. This packet has about 2 to 3 times to try it. I'm excited to try that because I love using hair masks and like deep conditioners. It's basically all I use on my hair in the shower anymore. I mean, I go through phases, but lately I've been back to using hair masks as my conditioners, or like something that's just deep conditioning is really great for my hair. Personally, I feel like I have like really frizzy hair sometimes, so I feel conditioner kind of helps with that. So this will definitely get used. I'm very excited to give it a try. Last thing in the box here is a lip oil. KAB lip oil. That is such cool packaging. Ooh, you guys see that shine? Juicy melon. Oh, I did not expect that. I mean, it has like a purple base, but I'm sure it comes off clear. Let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, it's mostly just clear. It has like the slightest bit of like almost pink looking because it's purpley, but it comes off clear. Ooh, smells like coconut. Definitely has that shine. You guys see the shine on it there. I love this packaging. This is so cute. I want to look at this brand. This is so cool. I love this. I will definitely use this. I love lip oils so much, and I don't have a whole lot of them, so that definitely adds to my collection. Very excited to give that a try and to see it in the box. Oh my god, look how many things are in here, you guys. There's so much stuff in this box this month. Wow, look at that. Such a great selection of things for their birthday box. Oh my gosh, this was so fun. I love everything in here so far. I think my least favorite product is probably the Elemis one, but that's just because I don't tend to use this particular product all the time. So it's something that I can feel someone else will get use out of though, but everything else is like amazing. And there's always one product in a box, in my opinion, that's kind of like gonna be my least favorite. So I'm not mad at it because all this other stuff I will definitely be using. Love this box so much. Definitely forgot to tell you guys the retail prices of everything. Lip oil retails for $20. This retails for $10. The Glow Recipe Cleanser. The Invisibobble Slim Hair Ties retail for $8. This Cetaphil Moisturizer retails for $9.99. This packet for the hair conditioner retails for $2.99. Oh, and then the Deluxe Mini is worth, well, it says that a mini of 30 ml is $45, but this is only 15, so half of 45 is $22.50. So this little tiny thing is worth $22.50. Oh my goodness. I'm very impressed with this box. I'm very excited that they are sending me some of their boxes to try out because they haven't disappointed me yet with my last one and this one. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. And I will see you guys soon. By the way, if you made it to the end, I just wanted to say I'm definitely gonna have more beauty content soon. I know I haven't been posting a whole lot, but you know, this moving process has been insanely long and crazy, and I don't even have my setup yet for doing my regular beauty videos, but we will get back to the beauty content very shortly. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.